Hi everyone, my name is Marina and I'm honored to be here tonight as one of Elena's Maids of Honor along with the amazing Tess Barrett. So I first met Elena at the beginning of her sophomore year at Stanford. We were in Leslie's car on the way to register for a half marathon, which if you know anything about Elena, should not surprise you. And I was immediately blown away by her. She was smart, polished, confident, gorgeous, and athletic. My admiration mostly occurred from afar until the summer after sophomore year when I was interning in DC. My roommate Wyatt told me that Elena was also in DC. Ooh, sorry, nose is running. That Elena was also in DC for the summer and that she had decided that her and I were going to be friends. All I can remember thinking is, wait, Elena Bauer wants to be friends with me? I remember that moment mostly because Elena was so right. It was instantly obvious that we were destined to be in each other's lives. The summer passed in a haze of chunky monkey ice cream, being low-key hot for things, and boring government jobs. But for me, that summer will always be the summer that Elena picked me to be in her life. You set the bar of friendship higher than I ever thought was possible. I am so lucky to call you my best friend. And something that I've realized after 9 years of friendship is that to be chosen by Elena isn't something passive. She has the uncanny ability to see the best in you and draw it out. To be with Elena is to be the best version of yourself, to be the person most worthy of her time and love. Or, to quote Taylor Swift, Elena is simply a mastermind. So I guess what happens next really should not come as a surprise. We're eating lunch at Trido on a beautiful spring day, our junior year. Elena broke off conversation to watch someone across the courtyard. And then with that characteristic Elena determination, she turned to me and she said, "You know who I think is really great? Josh Bagel." And maybe for anyone else, that would have been the end of the story. But this is Elena we're talking about. She knew exactly what she was doing and what kind of person she was choosing. Josh, you are such a considerate, warm, and inclusive person. I loved your conversation when I visited Denver in February about how you can always match people's energy. And I've seen that amazing talent in action from the big moments of an HBS party to the small moments where you ask someone for their take on an Economist article you know they'll find interesting. And again, to be chosen by Elena is not a passive activity. It's been incredible to watch you choose Elena back every single day. From your thoughtful questions, to your inside jokes about Flughavens and Ubers, to your impeccable DJing skills, you bring so much joy to Elena's life. Her eyes light up when you enter the room, and she gets the goofiest grin on her face when you send her a text. It makes me smile thinking about just how much she loves you. Josh and Elena, your love is the love of two incredible, compassionate, and brilliant people that choose each other every single day. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of your story and letting me be here tonight to celebrate the start of your beautiful marriage. I love you both so much, and cheers to Josh and Elena.